loves, welcome to Hello Beauty. If you've never been here before, welcome. You just gained a new best friend for life. If you have been here, well, welcome back. You already know what it is. Today, I'm going to review the Sugarbear LashCare Vitamin Serum. This is supposed to help your lashes grow like a butterfly, and we're gonna see if it does just that. Now, it says like it's 3-month results, 92% users saw longer looking lashes, apply morning and night. And then there's a bunch of other stuff on the back that I will let y'all read. So I'm going to do the first application today, and then I'm gonna come back in maybe a couple weeks and update you guys to see if I think that it's working, yada, yada, yada. All right, let's get started. I am gonna read the directions before doing all this. Apply a thin line of lash care serum along the upper lash line on clean, dry skin. Check. Made sure I washed my face before the video. Let serum dry completely before touching or using any additional products on top. Apply twice daily, morning and night. Awesome. So this is my morning, I guess. Ooh, looks fancy. Okay. Thin line. Okay, so now we just wait for the magic to happen, and let's see if this actually works. I will hit you guys up in a couple of weeks to see if I think this product is actually working or if I think it's just a bunch of baloney like all the rest of them. Hello, it's been a month, literally a month and a day from yesterday. I did a little bit of renovating, so the background might look a little different from last time. A lot can happen in a month. I wanted to let you guys know that I did a month trial versus a couple weeks because I really wanted to see if this actually works. I wanted to give it enough time to actually soak in and see if these lashes would grow. I have used at least half the tube already. I don't know if y'all can really see that, but I've used half of it. I think it has definitely worked. Here is some pictures of the before and after. This was a month before and this was a month after. So I definitely think it works. I definitely think you should try it out for yourself. Just want to inform you guys that I do work at Ulta, so I can get a lot of different products if you want me to review them. I love doing product reviews because I myself want to see what works, what doesn't work, what burns my face, what doesn't burn my face. You know, we need to see. So instead of y'all spending the money, let me spend the money, get the discount, and I can try it out for you guys. That is the end of this video. It's a very quick review video of, does this work? Yes, it does. So buy it if you want. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to subscribe. It is free. There's nothing else better to do in this world but to do something free, and that's subscribing. But also like this video if you like this video, and give me a thumbs up. Guys, click those post notifications so that every time I post, you get a notification. You know I'm posting and you are on it and clicking that new video, okay? So guys, stay cute, stay you, stay beautiful, and we'll see you next time.